one of the other aspects of all symbolism is that it's multivalent, or you could say multidimensional. There's more than one particular read or meaning, but generally you can always bring things back to what you would call astrotheology, which is the scripture of the stars. And that's actually what I think is the most helpful building block for anybody to understand any mythological or religious system, is that it does come back to the zodiac, the sun's path through the zodiac in the course of a year, and how it's demonstrable that the various characters and archetypes that play out in mythological systems are referring to that journey, throughout the year. And the characters that you meet are going to refer to the zodiacal signs or other constellations in the night sky.